Hello viewers, my name is Muhamamd Farooq and today I would like to talk about Pakistan. When you think about Pakistan, what comes in your mind? What media tells you about Pakistan? You can share what you are thinking, what you know about Pakistan in the comments section. But today I would like to share with you two things extremely important about Pakistan. First thing is that we are peaceful people. We are peace lovers. And it's not like I'm just saying we are peaceful people. I will prove it. From the beginning, Pakistan was obtained on the name of Islam. Pakistan as a country from subcontinent, by negotiating with the British people, was obtained through negotiations. It came into being as a separate country based on the negotiations, based on advocacy of the Muslims in the subcontinent. There was not a single firing or fight between the countries to gain the independence. Pakistan gained the independence through the negotiations. This was the foundation of Pakistan. And the other point is linked with it, and that is that latest in this year, in 2019, when the slight issues happened between Pakistan and India, and there was threat of the war somehow Pakistan caught one pilot of Indian Air Force, and then he was returned to home as a peace gesture. And complete Parliament of Pakistan, complete establishment, the army officials and everyone was on the same page to send him back as a peace gesture and to stop the threat of war. So this is showing again Pakistan as a peaceful country. And when you become peaceful, people might think that that one country is weaker, this is the reason they are negotiating, this is the reason they are peaceful. It's not this way. Pakistan is a nuclear state. Pakistan has the world's sixth largest army. It is ranking somehow, sometimes change, sometimes it becomes fifth, sometimes it becomes sixth, but it's one of the best armies in the world in terms of equipment, in terms of training. Now when a country is nuclear power, when a country has this much army, then why we are peace lovers? Again I will say that this is in the foundation of Pakistan, that we will not fight with anyone until someone fights with us. So our nuclear weapon, our nuclear policy is that we have this nuclear weapon, we have this much army just to protect ourselves, to do not fight with anyone. And the other point beside the peacefulness I would like to share is the open-mindedness. How open-minded Pakistani people are. The first thing which you must know, that Pakistan made first prime minister from the Muslim world, first female prime minister. This shows the open-mindedness of Pakistani people. So I'm sure if you have not heard about it, you can see it on the screen. The Benazir Bhutto, she became 2 times prime minister of Pakistan, the first lady in the Muslim world. And moreover, we are so open that we made a cricketer our prime minister. Imran Khan, the current prime minister of Pakistan, is a cricketer. He struggled through 22 years, and we have opened, the Pakistani people have opened doors for him, they voted for him, and all the people are expecting the change from him. So the point is that this tells the open-mindedness of our people in whole world. For example, if we talk about the USA, there are 2 parties, the Republican, the Democrats. If we talk about the India, there is Congress and BJP. And in Pakistan right now there are 3 big parties. So Pakistan also gave the chance to Imran Khan, and the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, PTI, is a third big political party. The small parties are everywhere, but in Pakistan there are 3 mainstream parties. So this is something which world should know about Pakistan, that we are peaceful people, we are open-minded people. Do share this video with others so that they have a better image of Pakistan in their mind. Thank you so much for watching it. If you have not subscribed the Buzdar Insights or Muhammad Farooq Buzdar channel, please subscribe it. I'm sure the content you are getting, you will find it useful. Thank you so much.